In this tutorial, we'll connect a server to Server Manager. Once it's connected, we can manage it right from here. No SSH terminal needed. Let's click Connect Server. We enter the IP address, the username, in my case Ubuntu, password or a private key. I'll use a private key. And we're ready to connect. If we want, we can also save the credentials for faster connections next time. And there we are, connected. Server Manager logs in, scans the server, and lays everything out clearly. Live resources, plus any websites, databases, and apps you have running. And that's it, server connected. Everything from here on happens in this interface, simple and intuitive.